Hi, I'm Kunal Raginwar, right? There has to be some kind of a gap up of some kind. Then only I can look for a bullish trade. So, first we'll clear that. So, today was a very confusing day. I preferred to be on the safe side. Okay, we'll have a look at exactly what happened and what we can expect for tomorrow. Welcome to the Game Changers. So, today I was not very bullish, not very bearish. Okay. So now we are going to compare both charts. The problem is Nifty started breaking down. Okay. Very early in the morning. Just how we wanted. But this pivot was too big of a stop loss. So that was one problem. And when Nifty started breaking down, Bank Nifty was not even close to the low of the day, right? So that made it very confusing in my head कि अब क्या करें. So what did I do? I did absolutely nothing because Bank Nifty ऊपर जा रहा था यहाँ पे, right? On the same time, Nifty was going up but making a lower high, and the risk reward was not good for shorting. इफ यू सी एट द एंड ऑफ द डे कुछ हुआ ही नहीं है ज़्यादा निफ्टी में. बैंक निफ्टी इनफैक्ट ज़्यादा गिर गया कंपेयर टू निफ्टी. सो दैट इज वाई इट वॉज सो कन्फ्यूजिंग. लाइक देर वॉज नो सेटअप एंड नो ट्रेड टू बी टेकन टूडे. नाउ what to expect for tomorrow? Okay, tomorrow is going to be a very interesting day because अभी बुलिश होने के लिए, right, there has to be some kind of a gap up of some kind. Then only I can look for a bullish trade. So first we'll clear that. What we need for a bullish trade is some kind of significant gap up, right? Over here somewhere. We want a gap up, a move, a 3-minute pivot, and then a breakout. That is the only valid setup for me currently जो प्राइस एक्शन दिख रहा है फॉर गोइंग लॉन्ग. शॉर्टिंग के लिए क्या करेंगे? शॉर्टिंग के लिए इट्स सिंपल, मोर सिंपल. वील मार्क द डेज लो. what we want is a breakdown, a 3-minute pivot, and then another breakdown, right? If none of these situations happen, I would prefer to not trade. Now, ये हम जो situations बात किए हैं, that is valid for Nifty also. Whichever the stronger instrument is, that is what we would want to trade in for the long side. Whichever the weaker instrument is, we would want to trade for the short side. It is a little bit choppy. मतलब मार्केट थोड़ा चॉपी रह सकता है, मेनली बिकॉज स्टिल द ब्रेथ हैज़ नॉट इम्प्रूव्ड इन द मार्केट. एंड फ्राइडे को आरबीआई का पॉलिसी है, तो मे बी दिस वीक इज गोइंग टू बी अ लॉट ऑफ चॉपीनेस. ओनली टाइम विल टेल. लेट्स सी. चलो बाय, सी यू टुमारो.